See, gentlemen, what do you see? Ladies, what do you see?
No one's name is clearly seen.
You don't see anybody's name anymore.
Yeah.
True.
True.
Yeah. We in the organization is also like this. We are part of the organization. We don't see our names anymore. Yes or no?
Yes.
We're just part of the organization. Yes? Yes. So don't feel so proud about your name. If you were to turn this, would you be able to see your position in the company? No. So don't be so proud about the position of your company, your position in the company. You're just part of the organization. Now, is everybody important?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. For example, let's say Jairo. Where you, Jairo? Jairo. Let's say Jairo, he always comes late. What will happen to the mess? Fall apart because of this one Jairo who always comes late, for example. Yeah. So what should we do about Jairo?
Counseling.
Because you know, because of 1%, we get a bad name. Because of 1%, our assignment doesn't get done. Because of 1%, we might lose our job because of this 1%. So, if this 1% is doing the fault, what should we do about him or her?
Help him to do it.
Help him, coach him, advise him. Why? Because he's still in our family, yes or no?
Yes.
Our family called Citibank. Let's say you help him, coach him, advise him, but he still come late. What should you do about him? Yeah, tell him to get another job. Maybe his sustenance, his rizki is there. Yeah? But right now, since he chose to be with Citibank, you will help him, coach him, advise him, bring him to the right path. Because you know he is still part of your family. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Just now I saw you doing, closing it up like this. Why? Why closing it up like this?
Yes. Well knit.
Bonding.
You
Unity.
bond, you become strong. So if you're close, you're strong. Correct? Yeah. Yeah? What makes you come close? Every day you walk into the bank holding hands, is it? No. So what makes you come close?
Common purpose.
Common interest?
Dependent.
No.
No.
Communication.
Salam mesra.
Shalom.
The more you communicate, the closer you get. The less you communicate, you start to have gaps. And gaps on this piece of paper, in reality of life, these gaps are called assumptions. Assumptions, because you don't communicate with this person, you think he's a gangster, for example. Because you
Looks like.
So, because you seldom communicate with one another. So the more you communicate, the stronger you get. The less you communicate, you start to have these assumptions about one, which will break your team. Is that true?
Yes.
And communicating is not just about doing salam mesra only. Communicating is also about giving feedback, praise, smash, giving suggestions, making us as strong as ourselves, making everybody around us as good as us. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because who choose to be in the bank?
We.
Hand. Who's yours?
Myself.
In which one is better? Namas you do alone or namas you do with
Jamaat.
Jamaat? This is your Jamaat. This bank is your Jamaat, your congregation, your family. Yeah. When you do Jamaat, you go into the soft, into the lines. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Every day when you walk into the bank, you come into your own specializations. Each and every one of you come with experience. Each and every one of you come with all of your specializations. You come to the bank with your specializations. You go into lines. Yeah. Let's say your soft with him is not right. So what should we do? It's crooked. It's not right. It's not straight. What should we do? Our line with him is not right. What should we do?
Come to same line.
You correct him.
Yes.
Yeah? If he still doesn't want to move, you tell him to go to the children's line behind. In the salah, in the namaz, we want to correct the lines of our feet. Yeah? But in the bank, we want to correct the lines of our hearts. Meaning, you want to be aligned with everybody. You want to have good thoughts of everybody. Because if you don't, you might as well get another job. If you don't have good thoughts, don't talk about teamwork. If you're still having this jealousy and backbiting and stuff like that, then this is not the place to be. Go find another family. Maybe your risk is there. But right now, since you choose to be in this family, work together. Have good thoughts with one another. Care for one another. Because who choose to be in the bank?
Me.
Hand here. Who chose? So stop bangawing. Say loudly.
Stop.
Turn to the person next to you, say in the face.
Stop.
Some of you this now was very busy here. Some of you, because there were too many people here, they were standing on this side. So the body couldn't be there, but the spirit is there. The roh is
The
there.
feelings.
Yeah? It's about caring. Caring about the bank it goes beyond your salary at the end of the month. I mean, how many of you really realize about the profits and the losses of the bank last year? Or will you just only focus on whether you're going to get bonus at the end of the year? Is that what I mean? Later on, we'll talk about this. Your world in Citibank. It's much more than just the salary at the end of the month. Yes or no?
Yes.
It's a big portion of your life. And for some people, it's not only your life, but the people depending on you.
Right.
It's also their lives. Yeah? Whose choice?
My choice.
Will you have problems in the bank?
Yeah.
Yes. No problem, no?
Fun.
Every problem has a
Solution.
Every solution begins with whom?
Me.
Hand here. With whom?
Me.
So stop bangawing. Say loud.
Stop.
Turn to the person next to you, say in the face.
Stop.
Put your right hand up. Put your right hand on the shoulder of the person next to you. Massage.
Massage.
Make sure it's
Massage.
alive.
Massage.
Yeah, massage. Yeah. Pick up. Let's go back to your places. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.